behind him on this side and get his hinge set. Got Jake over here on the mechanical advantage. I'm going to pull this tree over because it's got a slight lean toward the house. Do this side first. Always do the side away from the lean. Never mind. Tree leaning toward the house. Nice house. All boss's house. Here she goes. Woo! Nice job. Praise the Lord.